The C-F2 error on your Samsung Range is an indication that there is a communication problem between the touchpad and the main control board. Seeing this error code displayed on your oven can be frustrating. Keep in mind that if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do yourself. Visit partselect.com and enter your model number to quickly find and order the part that you need. Then watch our step-by-step repair tutorial video. How to reset your Samsung Range to clear a C-F2 error. The most common way to clear the C-F2 error on your Samsung Range is to reset the appliance. The steps for resetting your oven may vary slightly depending on the exact model you own, therefore it's always a good idea to consult your manual when you're unsure. Number 1. Unplug the range. Access the rear side of your appliance and unplug the oven from the power outlet. Wait for 1 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and check to see if the code is cleared. Number 2. Switch off the circuit breaker. Locate the circuit breaker, which you can find behind the service panel in your home. Flip the switch labeled oven or stove to switch off the circuit breaker to your oven. Wait 1 to 3 minutes and then flip the switch again. Wait for your oven to restart and confirm that the error code is no longer displayed. How to resolve the C-F2 communication error in a Samsung Range. Number 1. Touchpad. The touchpad, or Touch IC, is the user interface for the oven. It allows you to use and control all the functions of your oven, such as the temperature, cooking modes, and timers. When you press a button or touch part of the touchpad, it sends a signal to the control board, which then processes the input and responds in the appropriate way. If the touchpad itself is malfunctioning, you may be unable to control these functions and you may be faced with a C-F2 error. Number 2. Ribbon cable. The ribbon cable is a flat, wide cable made up of several small wires. It connects the touchpad to the control board and provides the communication link that allows you to use your oven. When you make a selection on the touchpad, the instruction is sent through the ribbon cable to the control board for processing. If the cable is not well connected, damaged, or experiencing electrical failure, it will not allow communication to flow between the touchpad and control board, resulting in the C-F2 error. Number 3. Control board. The control board is connected to the touchpad and digital display. It manages and regulates the various functions of the range using instructions from the touchpad. It also communicates with various sensors within the oven to ensure the selected function is achieved. If it is malfunctioning, it may not be able to communicate with the touchpad, resulting in a C-F2 error. You may also have difficulties controlling the oven or using the touchpad itself. Thanks for watching. We hope that we've helped you resolve your C-F2 error code on your Samsung Range. For more information on the C-F2 error code, check out our blog on partselect.com.